Master Zhang, who came to install the door, said, "His craft is very good. Don't worry." I said it's up to the machine. So I took out this device with a suction function, stick it on the wall, drawing horizontal line. Seeing this, he quickly took off the laser and hid behind it. I took out the inclinometer and put it on the door. Master Zhang put it into his pocket again. He looked at me mockingly. He thought that I don't know what to do with it. I told him immediately. It can not only display the suction strength, but also have the laser level function. It can be leveled all the time to check if the door is probably installed. Besides, it can drill holes without falling out. Master Zhang was surprised and ashamed. He carefully adjusted the door again, ensured a perfect handover.